Thank you for tuning in. I am student meteorologist Paul Tashereau. We got a break from the cold today. Temperatures actually made it into the lower 50s across much of the state, and we had generally sunny skies as we see with this picture I took outside my house in West Hartford, Connecticut. But we're going to see a seesaw of changes through the rest of the week. We're going to see cooler temperatures for the next few days compared to today, but on Friday, a warm front will move through. That's going to give us the potential for some mixed precipitation, some snow or sleet perhaps, as that warm front moves through. And once it does, it's going to give us a big warm up for the day on Saturday, but unfortunately that does come with rainy and gusty conditions. We'll touch upon all this in just a minute. On the current surface map, this warm front moved through yesterday. Back off to the west, we have a cold front. This cold front will be moving through this evening. That's going to knock temperatures back for the day tomorrow. Then just west of that, there's a secondary cold front. This will move through late tomorrow night and usher in even some colder air for tomorrow night and the day on Thursday and across the Pacific Northwest. This weather system up here, this is sort of going to move through the country over the next couple of days, strengthen in the Ohio Valley. That's going to swing the warm front through here Friday and give us our rainmaker for the day on Saturday. Let's take a look at that current satellite here. There is a storm system off the Gulf Coast states. That's not going to impact us at all. That's going to slide off the coast. But here's that storm system across the Pacific Northwest. Extensive cloud cover there. And if we take a look at the current radar here, again, some rain, embedded thunderstorms with that system down south, but that's going to be sliding well off the coast. And then across the Pacific Northwest, there's some rain, even some snow with that system. And again, this is our weather maker for Friday and Saturday. Now, we talked about Friday, a warm front moving through. This is one of our computer forecast models showing high temperatures for the day on Friday. This right here is Connecticut. Now, if you can kind of see, the southern part of the state is in the green shadings, indicating temperatures mid to perhaps even upper 40s. But the central and northern part of the state is in the blue shadings, highs mainly in the mid to upper 20s. So we have the warm front, which is going to be right smack through the middle of the state, and that's going to set the stage for that mixed precipitation, rain, sleet, or snow, and your high temperatures will all determine where you are in the state on Friday and where this warm front sets up. Now, once this warm front moves through, that's going to push the jet stream well off to the north. That's going to usher in much warmer and milder air from the southwest for the day on Saturday. And how high will we get? We'll talk about that in the 5-day forecast. And once this system moves through, there is a bit of uncertainty whether or not we get into some of this Arctic air mass for the Christmas holiday, but that is a week out, and we'll continue to track that as the week moves on. But coming back to Danbury for tonight, it'll be chilly and breezy out there. Winds gusting upwards of 20 miles an hour, so even though we have a low of 30, it'll feel more like the mid-20s with those winds. And for tomorrow, cooler than today, highs only in the lower 40s, but it will be gusty northwest winds of 20 to 25, so it'll feel mainly like the mid-30s out there. And for my 5-day forecast Thursday, that secondary cold front moves through, knocks temperatures back barely above freezing for highs. Then on Friday, that warm front moves through, that mixed precipitation possible, but look what happens Friday night. Temperatures will actually be warming through the night. Look at this on Saturday, a high of perhaps mid to upper 50s, but that does come with rainy and gusty conditions. That system departs and we turn much cooler for the day on Sunday with a high of only 42. I'm student meteorologist Paul Tashereau, and you can follow us on social media and all of our platforms. And thank you for watching, and have a great evening.